Good day everyone. Now, we are going to have integration with partial fraction. So we have here the h of x is equals to p of x over q of x. If p of x and q of x are polynomials. We have here 4 cases. First case, which is the case 1. The factors of q of x are all linear and none is repeated. Case 2. The factors of q of x are all linear and some are repeated. Case 3. The factors of q of x are linear and quadratic, and none of the quadratic is repeated. And the last case, which is the case 4. The factors of q of x are linears and quadratic, and some of the quadratic function are repeated. So we have here the problem integral of dx over x squared times the squared of the sum of x squared plus 1. So we are going to use the case 2 and the case 4. So we have here a over x plus b over x squared plus cx plus d over x squared plus 1 plus ex plus f over x squared over the squared of the sum of x squared plus 1. So we are going to multiply both sides by x squared times the squared of the sum of x squared plus 1. So we have here a 1 is equals to a times x times the squared of the sum of x squared plus 1 plus b times the squared of the sum of x squared plus 1 plus cx plus d times x squared plus 1 plus ex plus f times x squared. So first, we are going to simplify those who have squared. So we have here a times x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 plus b times x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared plus 1. So also this, simplify these terms. So we have here x to the power of 4 plus x squared. Next is we are going to simplify this first. So we have here a times x to the power of 5 plus 2x cubed plus x plus copy all terms. Next is we are going to simplify all terms. So we have here a x to the power of 5 plus 2ax cubed plus ax plus b to the power of x bx to the power of 4 plus 2 bx squared plus b plus cx to the power of 5 plus cx cubed plus d x to the power of 4 plus dx squared plus ex cubed plus fx squared. Next is we are going to combine like terms and we are going to factor. So since ax to the power of 5 plus cx to the power of 5, so gawas na to ang x to the power of 5. So we have here a plus x to the power of 5 times a plus c. So i-factor na nato sila tanan for those who have common terms. So RB is the constant. So we have here a plus c is equals to 0, b plus d is equals to 0, 2a plus c plus e is equals to 0, 2b plus d plus f is equals to 0, and a is equals to 0, and b is equals to 1. So now, we have here the value. A plus C is equals to 0. B plus D is equals to 0. 2A plus C plus E is equals to 0. 2B plus D plus F is equals to 0. A is equals to 0. B is equals to 1. So, since we have the value of A and B, we are going to get the value of C, D, E, and F. So, substitute the value of A. So, we have here 0 plus C is equals to 0. So, substitute the value of B. So, we have here 1 plus D is equals to 0. So, D is equals to negative 1. Next is substitute the value of C and A. So, we have here 2 times 0 plus E is equals to 0. So, we have here E is equals to 0. Next is substitute the value of B and D. So, we have here 2 times 1 plus negative 1 plus F is equals to 0. So, 2 minus 1 is equals to F is equals to 0. So, 1 is plus F is equals to 0. So, F is equals to negative 1. So, substitute the values of those who have na-shy ka ng value nga 1 or negative 1 or any value except the 0. So, we have here the B, since the value of B is 1. So, we have here B over x squared plus CD is negative 1. So, CX plus D minus EX plus F since F is equals to negative 1. So, substitute na nato siya sa value dari and we get the 1 over x squared plus negative 1 over x squared plus 1 plus negative 1 over the square root of the sum of x squared plus 1. So, next is we are going to integrate these terms. So, the integral of 1 over x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1 minus 1 over the square root of the sum of x squared plus 1. So, ibulag-bulag na to siya og integrate. So, we have here the integral of x squared dx minus the integral of 1 over x squared plus 1 dx minus the integral of 1 over the square root of the sum of x squared plus 1 dx. So, the integral of 1 over x squared, we have negative 1 over x. Next is the arctan x minus 1/2 times arctan x plus x over 2 times x squared plus 1. So, combine like terms. So, combine mo siya. So, we have here negative 1 over x minus 3/2 arctan x plus x over 2 times x squared plus 1 plus c. So, this is the integral of dx over x squared times the square root of the sum of x squared plus 1.